If you're running a Shopify store right now, AI is probably either becoming your biggest advantage or the reason you're falling behind. And that sounds dramatic, but honestly, it's true. Because the way successful Shopify stores operate today is changing incredibly fast, especially with the rise of artificial intelligence. One person with the right AI tools can do the work of an entire small team. And that's the part a lot of people don't fully understand yet. The real power of AI is leverage. It removes friction, it speeds up repetitive tasks, it helps you execute ideas faster, and in e-commerce, speed matters. The faster you can test products, improve your store, launch campaigns, and create content, the faster you learn what actually works. What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle from Shopify Mastery. In this video, we're going to break down the best AI tools for Shopify store owners. Not just what they do, but how real store owners are actually using them to save time, grow faster, and increase sales. And honestly, some of these tools can completely change how you run your business. Let's get into it. ChatGPT, the tool that changes everything. We have to start with ChatGPT because this is probably the most useful AI tool overall for Shopify store owners. And what's interesting is that most people still underestimate what it can actually do. A lot of beginners use it once to generate a product description, and that's the end of it. But the stores using AI effectively are using it almost like a second brain inside their business. They're using it to brainstorm product angles, rewrite landing pages, generate email campaigns, create FAQ sections, improve SEO descriptions, write ad hooks, structure homepage copy, respond to customer emails, and even help organize marketing strategies. And honestly, one of the biggest benefits is mental clarity. Running a Shopify store can feel overwhelming because there are constantly decisions to make. What should the homepage say? How should you describe the product? What angle should the ad take? What emails should you send? That creative fatigue builds up fast. ChatGPT helps reduce that friction dramatically. Now, obviously, you still need judgment. The stores that blindly copy-paste AI content usually end up sounding generic and lifeless. But when you use ChatGPT as a starting point, instead of replacement for thinking, it becomes incredibly powerful. And the speed difference is massive. What used to take hours can now take minutes. That changes how quickly you can build and test ideas. And honestly, speed is becoming one of the biggest advantages in e-commerce. Now, once you start improving your written content, the next thing you notice is how important visuals are. And that's where another tool becomes incredibly valuable. Canva AI, making your brand look professional. One of the biggest reasons that Shopify stores struggle isn't necessarily the product, it's presentation. A store can have a decent product and still feel low quality because the branding looks rushed. Cheap banners, inconsistent colors, weak social media graphics, product pages that feel visually messy. And customers notice this immediately. Even if they don't consciously think, this design is bad, they feel the lack of professionalism. That's why Canva has become such an important tool for Shopify store owners, especially now that AI features are built into it. Canva removes one of the biggest barriers that beginners face: design complexity. Not everyone knows Photoshop. Not everyone can hire a designer, but Canva allows people to create clean, modern branding much faster than before. And honestly, consistency matters more than complexity. A simple brand that looks cohesive will almost always outperform a messy brand trying too hard. What Canva does really well is help store owners create visual consistency across everything: product graphics, Instagram posts, email banners, ads, website visuals. And when everything visually feels connected, the brand immediately feels more trustworthy. That's something people underestimate. Good branding doesn't just look nice. It increases perceived value, which increases conversions. Now, once your branding improves, the next challenge becomes finding products worth selling in the first place. And this is where AI product research tools are changing the game. AI product research tools, moving faster than trends. One of the hardest parts of Shopify is product research, because by the time most people hear about a winning product, it's already everywhere. The market moves incredibly fast now. TikTok tends to explode overnight. Products go viral suddenly. Entire niches become saturated within weeks. And honestly, many beginners waste enormous amounts of time manually searching for ideas, scrolling endlessly, watching random videos, and guessing what might work. AI-powered product research tools are helping shorten that process. Tools like Sell the Trend analyze things like social engagement, trend spikes, store activity, product momentum, and ad performance patterns to identify products that are starting to gain attraction. Now let me be clear, no AI tool magically finds guaranteed winners. That's unrealistic. But what these tools do help with is narrowing your focus much faster. Instead of searching blindly, you can spot patterns earlier. And in e-commerce, timing matters. Sometimes the difference between success and failure is simply being early enough. But here's something important I've noticed. The best Shopify store owners don't just chase products. They pay attention to behavior. They look at why products are trending, what emotions are driving purchases, what content styles are working, what audiences are responding. AI tools help surface opportunities faster, but human judgment is still what turns opportunities into real brands. And speaking of branding and marketing, this next category is becoming incredibly important for content creation. AI video tools, the rise of content-driven stores. One thing that's becoming very obvious in e-commerce right now is that the brands winning attention are usually the ones creating the most content, not necessarily the biggest brands, the most visible brands. TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, UGC-style ads, and YouTube Shorts. Content creation has become one of the biggest growth engines for Shopify stores. The problem is that content creation takes time, a lot of time. That's why tools like Opus Clip are becoming so powerful. These AI tools take longer videos and automatically turn them into short-form content by finding engaging moments, reframing clips, adding captions, and optimizing formatting for social platforms. And honestly, this matters because consistency is one of the hardest parts of marketing. Most store owners know they should post more content, they just don't have the time. AI dramatically reduces the workload, and the brands that stay visible consistently usually outperform the ones that disappear for weeks at a time, because attention compounds. Next up, we have AI copyright tools. Speed without creative burnout. One thing people don't talk about enough is how exhausting marketing can become. You constantly need new ad ideas, new email campaigns, new headlines, new hooks, and new offers. Eventually, your brain just gets tired. That's why AI copyright tools like Jasper are becoming useful for Shopify workflows. Not because they write perfect copy automatically, but because they help break creative blocks. Sometimes the hardest part is starting. And AI helps generate angles, structure, variations, and ideas much faster. The best marketers still refine everything. But instead of staring at a blank page for an hour, they start with momentum. That changes productivity dramatically. And honestly, productivity matters more than perfection in the early stages of building a Shopify business. AI email marketing, one of the most underrated advantages. Email marketing is still one of the highest ROI channels in e-commerce, but most beginners neglect it. Why? Because writing emails consistently feels difficult. So they focus only on getting traffic. But here's the reality, traffic is expensive. Returning customers are valuable. AI tools integrated into platforms like Klaviyo are helping Shopify store owners automate and optimize email workflows much faster. And this matters because good email marketing is not just about promotions, but it's about relationship building. Welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-up, upsells, retention campaigns. These things quietly drive a huge amount of long-term revenue, and AI helps make consistency sustainable. The biggest mistake Shopify owners make with AI. Now here's the part that really matters. The biggest mistake that people make with AI is trying to remove themselves from the process entirely. And honestly, customers can feel that immediately. Stores start sounding robotic, everything feels generic, and the brand loses personality, and trust drops. The stores winning with AI right now are not replacing human creativity. They're amplifying it. They're using AI to move faster, test faster, organize faster, and create faster, while still maintaining a real voice and real identity. That's the difference, because branding still matters, emotion still matters, and trust still matters. AI just helps execute those things more efficiently. What AI is really changing in Shopify? The biggest thing that AI is changing is leverage. A solo founder today can operate With the efficiency of a small team, you can create content faster, improve your store faster, launch products faster, and test ideas faster. And that changes the barrier to entry completely. The people who learn how to combine human creativity plus AI efficiency are going to have a massive advantage over the next few years. Not because AI replaces talent, but because it removes bottlenecks. And bottlenecks are what slow businesses down. If you're building your Shopify store right now, make sure to use the Shopify Mastery link in the description below. If you use our link, you can get your first month for just $1 and earn up to $10,000 in credits, which is an incredible way to start building your store without huge upfront costs. Just click the link below, enter your email, and hit Start Free Trial. And you'll be inside your Shopify dashboard in minutes. And honestly, when you combine Shopify with the AI tools we just spoke about, you give yourself a serious advantage as a modern store owner. AI is not a shortcut to building a successful Shopify store, but it's becoming one of the biggest advantages for people who know how to use it properly. Because at the end of the day, e-commerce rewards speed. It rewards consistency and execution. And AI helps amplify all three. The store owners who learn how to combine strong branding, smart marketing, and AI-powered workflows are going to move faster than everyone else. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to Shopify Mastery for more Shopify growth strategies, AI workflows, branding tips, and conversion-focused tutorials. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. My name is Kyle from Shopify Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.